Good morning, guys. Welcome to our experimental cooking. All right. So what you see now is 100% Italian wheat. This is our pasta that we're going to use. The brand is Barogna. This is Italian made. All right. So the first step is you have to cook this one for 11 to 12 minutes. Just add a little salt and then you mix it, mix while cooking on it for 11 to 12 minutes. Alright, and then the other ingredients, of course, the beef broth. It came from this beef. I cooked this for 2 hours to extract just for this one. Okay, you can use that later, whatever you're going to cook with that. Okay, and then you also have the garlic, right? And then this is a new twist I added with bell pepper. All right. Okay, now the broccoli. All right. And oh, there is something surprising about what I'm going to cook with pasta with broccoli with a twist, because it is with carrots. All right. Remember guys, there's no right or wrong in cooking. What is important is you eat healthy foods, and it is how you cook it. It's about the taste, guys. It is not about whether it's wrong or right. Okay? Now, another one is the olive oil. Before I use this one with my first cooking with pasta and broccoli. Okay? Then I tried to buy this one to know the difference. But I love this one. This is Italian made. This is made in Spain. Alright, but I love this one, especially with the bread, because this one has a little aftertaste. Is a bitter, like a taste of olive, right? Okay, of course the chili flakes, you can just get a little of this one, and then the Parmesan cheese. Alright, and a little of black pepper. Alright. And guys, the one I missed with my first cooking of this pasta and with broccoli, I missed the one ingredient, which is butter. Now we have the butter. All right. So that is for today, guys. And then the first thing you're gonna do is to, of course, you hit the frying pan, and then you put the olive oil, and then you cook this one together with this one. You can put it together. Okay, and then the next one, you can add this one, the broccoli, and together with this one, and then you add this one, and then you put the broth, beef broth. Okay, cook this one, the broccoli and the carrots, for 3 to 5 minutes, and then after that you put this cooked pasta, and then you put the Parmesan cheese, a little black pepper, and the butter, and then cook for 3 minutes. And then that's all, guys. You can have a very tasty pasta with broccoli with a twist of carrots. Alright. So this is generally and definitely healthy. Okay guys, that's all for today. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Bye.